Imagine turning an entire wall into an LED display. Behold, Duality Canvas, a 3D printable modular LED Matrix Canvas system. Utilizing a custom canvas 16 by 16 LED Matrix PCB, it allows us to create any size LED Matrix canvas with ease. The integrated cable management system and onboard controller housing makes for a very clean build, consisting of matrix diffuser grid panels and connectors that align each of them while creating a flat plane. In this video, I will show you how it works and how to assemble both a 1x3 and 2x5 panel using WLED to control them. I will then show you how to mount the canvas on the wall. I haven't been this excited about a project in a long time. I just ordered my PCBs from JLCPCB, so while I wait for them, I'm going to use this excitement to get everything ready for the big day. The controller hub holds the main power terminal block and a lower current block for data line and controller power. There are two variations, one for the Dig-Octa Brainboard and another for the common WLED controller. The 2x5 example is approaching the maximum size for having only one controller. After that, we just add more controllers and control them with a dedicated main controller or computer. The cable guide block will keep our cables in check. The connectors align the panels and force them all into one plane to produce a flat panel array. They also have mounting tabs for wall mounting with the included wall mounts. We can also add heatset inserts for alternate mounting methods or the optional back covers. The matrix panels have 5 variations, depending on where it sits in the panel array. This is because the edges of the perimeter of the array are taller and thicker. I'm preparing my data cables using some 4-conductor cable and DuPont crimp connectors. I'm going for a clean look, so I'm using some cable sleeves as well. I really only need 3 wires for the first data line, but my cable has 4 wires, so I'll just stick with that. I'm using heat shrink. Oh! I just got notification my PCBs were delivered, which brings me to my sponsor. JLCPCB is more than a PCB prototype service. They are a full-stack professional electronics manufacturing platform, integrating PCB design, PCB fabrication, component sourcing, SMT assembly, and digital manufacturing, all in one ecosystem, empowering electronics engineers to develop projects efficiently. Whether it's a 2-layer prototype or a 32-layer high-reliability board, JLCPCB delivers. Get started today and see the difference of a true engineering platform. Link in description. Discover JLCPCB's full-stack electronics manufacturing platform, from EDA to PCB and PCBA. New users get $123 in coupons. Start now at JLCPCB.com. To mount to the wall, just mark a level line on the wall and screw the mounts in the wall, keeping them straight with the level. Use anchors where needed. The mounts should be spaced 250 millimeters on center, except for ones on the end. Since I was the only person around, I used my shop assistant to help position the panel. There is an optional cable track to hide cables if you can't hide them otherwise. It's just like the Duality track system as far as assembly. There is a mount for a fuse block and power supply to keep everything clean. I hope you've enjoyed this new Duality release. Using PCBs makes the build even that much more fun. You can find all the files, including the Gerber files for the PCB, in the description link. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.